Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Some things we're tracking. First of all, maybe tomorrow early there could be a few little showers. I'll show you that here in just a little bit. I don't think it's going to be very long, but I wouldn't rule out maybe a little rain early tomorrow. Here's the story, though. Hot weekend. Not only hot, it's going to get humid, and the heat index value will rise, and we could be looking at the heat index over 100 on both Saturday and again on Sunday. So we definitely have a hot weekend ahead for the valley. Kind of a little mini heat wave, which will extend into Monday. Then after that, we'll break it back a little bit next week. Today, though, right on the money where we should be. 61 this morning, right there. 84, right where you should be. 97, the record high. 48 is your record low. No rain here at the TV station today, but look at this. We're up to 3 inches for the month, so we've already gotten some pretty good rains. A little dry weather right now. Not going to hurt things. Tomorrow, sunrise, and then tomorrow, sunset. 14 hours, 56 minutes of daylight. If you've ever wondered how much daylight do we get here, what's the maximum amount? There it is. We get just shy of 15 hours of sunlight. That will last for about a week or so, and then we'll start to see the days getting shorter, believe it or not, later this month. But there you are. Starting tomorrow, the peak amount of daylight, 14 hours, 56 minutes. River Stage in Terre Haute, which was high, is back down now at 15.5 feet. At the airport in Terre Haute, 82. The relative humidity is at 81 or 38%, and the winds are calm. There's not a whole lot of wind out there. Temperatures are running pretty much in the 80s all across the area right now. Big blow up of thunderstorms in Iowa driving themselves to the south. What that's going to do, though, is overspread some cloud cover into this area. I think the rain is going to stay west of here, but you see what happens. See, these clouds are spreading in now, these thin clouds. We're going to see more of that as the evening goes on. You can see the rain off to the west of this area. So on the Dorsett Automotive Doppler radar, we're fine here, but you get well west of Champaign, especially St. Louis. They're getting hit with some bigger storms right now. Those are diving to the south-southeast, so pretty much missing this area. So if you're going to be out this evening, you'll see a few more clouds, but we should stay dry. What we're looking at now, this little higher resolution, we call it the future radar. What we think the radar would actually look like, it's just rain, no cloud cover, but watch what happens. You can see this rain off to the west, dives to the south-southeast, and fades away overnight. So there really won't be anything here except some cloud cover. Now, by tomorrow morning, though, see this, we show a little bit of rain across the area. So we stop this tomorrow around 6:30 Eastern, and it does look like some rain, especially Terre Haute down towards Effingham, will be possible. It shouldn't last too long before that will then leave the area later in the morning, but it wouldn't surprise me tomorrow morning there could be some areas of rain across the area. The wind right now kind of calm, becomes more of a southerly wind as we head into tomorrow and into the day on Saturday. That south wind is going to pump the temperatures, and the heat index is going to climb as well. So Sunday, get ready. The heat is on across this part of the country. Same thing on Monday. Front will bring a possibility of some thunderstorms in here Tuesday. Behind that, we'll break the heat down a little bit by the middle of next week. Still going to be warm, but not as hot, it looks like, as it will be over the weekend. But looking longer term now, this is June 20 to 24. We continue in this part of the country with above normal temperatures. Same time period, looks like a little bit above normal possible on precipitation. Forecast for tonight then, partly cloudy. There'll be a little band of cloud cover coming through with that dying system to the west. Mild 64 the low as we head through the day tomorrow. Could be a few showers early. I think that will dry up by the afternoon. Hot becomes more humid, a high of 86. And speaking of hot, get ready for this. High temperatures in the mid-90s for the weekend. Heat index over 100. It'll stay hot on Monday. Some thunderstorms Tuesday, back in the 80s next Wednesday and Thursday. Don't go away. Sports coming up right after the break.